Hi guys, yan. I'm going to show you this is a sala only. Sala. This is a sala. Television. And that one, another sala. This is sala only. Another table. Another set of chair. And let's go to another side of the sala. This one. Yeah. You will notice if the one family is very rich, because they have a poultry, what is that, portrait, and this one is another sala, also the big portrait, big sala. And there's only one family, my mama and my baba. Another set of sala there. Did you see? Did you saw that? Bismillah. This is an ancient clock. I don't know this one. What is this? Siguro bahay to ni Jenny. Bahay ni Jenny to siguro. What is this? Parang secret ano siya. Ang galing. Galing. Laki ng bahay. Makikita mo at malalaman ng isang tao kung mayaman sa mga portrait, sa mga sa malalaking laki niyan.